vehicle? Check out the 2020 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, traction control, stability control, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.